Look at Isaac go. This is Isaac, guys. Why are you so shy?
I wasn't expecting.
So in today's video, I'm doing, we decided to go to the lake today. I'm doing jet skis. I just finished getting off one with Isaac. I was pretty scared, but I got through it, and it was actually pretty fun. Now it's time for Emily and Natalie to go, and they're Isaac's little sisters, but they're big girls. I shouldn't say that. Check it out. So the one in the blue vest is Natalie, and the one in the purple is Natalie. The blue one is Emily, and that's George.
Emily's probably crying right now. Aliyah, it's time for the grown-ups.
I'll be with them. Oh jeez, look what happened. You're like, oh, he did that on purpose. He did that on purpose. She can't swim. It's gonna sink. And Pedro's the only one going back for it.
Let me go get it. It's just a thing to throw.
Give me the best.
Alright, it's Isaac to the rescue now.
Isaac, jump.
Pedro's holding on.
What?
Look at this.
Oh, this still hurts. This still hurts.
I see you guys are fighting. Doggy paddle.
Now Natalie's going by herself with Angel. This is what they call G money. This is the beautiful Oshigara family.
That's cute.
This one fell.
It's raining.
Please stop. They're having rock competitions over here. Let's see. Look at how they enjoy themselves throwing rocks. Look how she throws. She's kissing the water.
I think he has two frogs. Chris says he can't baseball. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What is
A
this?
pescona, un crawdad.
I caught one. He caught something. I caught it.
A crawdad. They look like those little lobsters.
I tried pulling it. I'm like, wait, it's stuck. What's going on? I thought it stuck to the rock. I pulled it up. Come on. Okay.
So that was our time at the beach. The lake. It was pretty fun. I don't know why I keep saying my brother's talking to me while I'm trying to record. So guys, that was today's adventure, I guess you could say. So basically, I don't know if I said this in the video before, my vlogs are gonna be like of what I do and just like fun things that I do. Like this was fun. Like I vlogged it because I wanted to share this moment with you guys because it was fun. So not sure what I'm doing in the next video, but like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and we'll see you soon.